Hey guys, here's how to fix high ping and packet loss in Apex Legends. It's super easy to do. We'll fix it in under 2 minutes. Let's go. Start at the top right, open up your settings. Under gameplay, scroll down, and make sure performance display is set to on. Now before we continue, restart the game. On the launch screen, in the bottom left, you can see the data center. Select your data center, and make sure you're set to the server with the lowest ping. For me, US East 1 has 18 ping, so this is the correct one. If you're using Wi-Fi, connect your PC to the router with an Ethernet cable. Make sure if you have any other applications downloading anything, streaming anything, or if you have any other devices on Wi-Fi streaming or downloading anything, to turn them off. Lastly, on your desktop, if you right-click the Windows icon, select Device Manager, click on Network Adapters, click the arrow next to Network Adapters, right-click your network adapter, and select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers, and that's how to fix the high ping and packet loss. If this helped, let me know down below.